Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about Austrian Government Scholarship. Austria is an emerging nation for students who wish to pursue further studies abroad. The universities in Austria are renowned for their quality education and increasing variety of courses. International students enrolling in Austrian universities receive many amenities including scholarship that cover them to study in the country. This scholarship is founded in 2005. Austrian Government Scholarship is full-funded scholarship for international students who wish to pursue their studies at any level in Austria. Read the following blog for further details about Austrian Government Scholarship. Austrian Government Scholarship highlights. Country is Austria, funded by Austrian Development Corporation. Scholarship levels are diploma, undergraduate, master's, PhD. Amount of scholarship is full funded scholarship, and application deadline is March 2023. So every year the deadline will be in the March. For example, in next year the deadline will be in 2024. Eligible nations, all countries except Austria. Austrian Government Scholarship benefits. The following are the benefits of Austria Government Scholarship for international students. Austria Government Scholarship aim to provide aids for deserving candidates and assist them to pursue their studies and research in Austria. Full funded scheme covers the following expenses: monthly allowance, health insurance, accommodation, and traveling allowance. So this is a very good scholarship. I recommend all of you to apply for that scholarship. Now further we'll take a look about the application procedure and the requirements for that scholarship. Eligibility criteria. Here are the eligibility requirements for Austria Scholarship for international students. The scholarship is applicable for all nationalities except Austrian citizen. Student must have completed 12 years of education for bachelor's program. Student must have bachelor's degree for master's program and bachelor's and master's degree for PhD program. The applicant's age should not be more than 40 years for doctoral program. Applicant's age should not be more than 35 for bachelor's and master's program. Applicant must not have studied, pursued research, academic work in Austria in last 6 months before taking up that scholarship. Funding research. Fields of research are agriculture science, natural science, human medicine, and these are the documents which are required: complete online application form, CV, project plan, 2 letters of recommendation, supervisor confirmation, and scanned copy of your passport, university certificate, transcript, and degree confirmation. These are all required documents. How to apply? Following these steps to apply for the Austrian Government Scholarship. Before applying, the candidate must check the eligibility criteria, register the scholarship. Candidate must complete the registration process by providing the required information to obtain the login credentials. The candidate will be sent a link to verify their profile. Use the login credential to log in to application portal. Click apply to submit the application. Fill all the required information accurately. Finally submit the application form. All application is submitted. And selection procedure for Austrian scholarship. Formal check and necessity of research in Austria, academic background, list of publications, required documents. Frequently asked questions. You can take a look about these questions if you have any frequently asked questions. Now we will take a look here about how we can apply for that scholarship. So you can search that in the Google and you will find that. Click on that link. After you will come to that link, then you can take a look about the procedure, how you can apply for that scholarship, all the requirements. IELTS is all not mandatory if your previous education is in English Start program. You can also confirm that from the university website. Here you can create the account, login and submit your application. If you will have any question related to application, you can ask me in the comment section. I will respond to your queries. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye.